Reduce that noise from your video. Even if it's an outdoor video, you don't need to upload it with noise. So watch this video till the end. It is absolutely free. Let's go there. Just come to Viva Video app, click on new projects, click on your videos, import the video you want to reduce noise on. Okay, so highlight the video, just click on it. You see all this drop down, you move down, just be moving, keep on moving till you see reduce noise. See it here, you click on it, on this button. Wait, before I go on with this, let me show you. I forgot to play the video for you. So as I've just imported the video, let me play it so that you hear the noise. Hi, stop using stagnant image for your content. Hi, stop using stagnant images for your content. I am here for you. All right, just you hear the noise. I tried reducing this noise in a CapCut. It didn't entirely reduced. You know our Nigerian weather, the gen is on and I really want to do something. So now here we click on reduce noise. Okay, on this button. You are done. Just play the video back. Play it again so that you see. Hi, stop using stagnant image for your content. Hi, stop using stagnant images for your content. I am here for you. All right, so did you see the difference? The difference is so clear. So subscribe to this channel if you want to be seeing things like this. Like this video, leave a comment on the comment section below. So you come to export your video, look up here, you will see export, you click on it. You can also export your video on 4K Ultra HD, or you export it on 72ph. okay, I am a VIP, so I export my video on the VIP session. My next video, bye.